This is my Cajun pasta with the Southwest sausage cooked in the rice cooker. Well, tonight I'm really hungry for some Cajun pasta cooked in the rice cooker here. And I'm gonna start out by having one small diced onion, half of green pepper diced up, half of red pepper diced up around, 3 cloves of garlic, Southwest sausage from Sam's Club. So it's already been cooked. So I'm just gonna put right in this 8 ounces of this rigatoni pasta, or you can use any kind of big pasta like penny pasta. Also, teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of basil, and 2 teaspoons of the Cajun seasoning. 1, 2, about 8 ounces of this heavy cream. Up right here. 2 cups of hot water in there. Half teaspoon of salt, pepper. And I close it up and press cook. Okay, the rice cooker has come from rice cooking and keep warm. Look at the steams coming out. Wow. And that's what my Cajun pasta with Southwest sausage looks like. Right here. Look at this. Wow. How about a 1/3 cup of cheese in there? Parmesan cheese, that is. Fine taste was some pasta, some sausage here. And, wow. The pasta's just done, so it still got that little chewy taste to it.